Hey everybody, my name is Harris Kenny. I'm the founder of OutboundSync, and I'm very excited to show you two new features that we are pushing out for our Salesforce integration. So the first thing is going to be showing how we are logging activities from sequencing tools like SmartLead, Instantly, and Email Bison into Salesforce. And the second one is going to be how we're taking reports from Salesforce and then pulling that data back and pushing it to the block list so that we're not cold emailing important contacts or companies or accounts from Salesforce. So this is just a quick preview of these two features, and we're going to have a lot more coming, and a lot more Salesforce features are coming this month, but I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what we've been working on because we're pretty excited about it. So first thing here is the activities. We now support the ability to log outbound activities as tasks. Now, the cool thing about this is that we have a configurable subject line, and so you can use this to have custom properties as well as variable snippets from your outbound data pushed into the subject line of the task. Now, I used the test modal in OutboundSync. We have this little testing feature where you can send custom payloads and then see how they interact with your HubSpot or Salesforce environment. And here you can see these events listed. And so we've got some standard text, which is like the brackets and the OS, and then we've got some variable text, which is the sales engagement platform and the event type, and then the subject line of the email. But there's just tons of different combinations that you can put in place here to get different reports off of the task object in Salesforce. And the second thing I want to show you is using reports. So now you can use reports as a source for your block list. And Salesforce is really configurable in its reporting. And so we actually also give you the ability to select multiple fields. And then from those fields, you can push to the block list. Now, from email addresses, you can block single contacts, or you can extract the domain and block a whole domain. And then, of course, from URLs or full domains, you can block a whole domain. And so this is just an example report that we built showing the filter criteria inside of Salesforce. And you can do customers, channel partners, open opportunities, any number of criteria, add multiple fields, and then push those over. So we're going to have really in-depth documentation in our knowledge base and more detailed feature walkthroughs coming up. But this is just two of the things that are live in Salesforce this week in OutboundSync, and we've got a lot more coming. So really appreciate all the support and feedback from Salesforce users. People kind of like don't believe me, but actually we're really enjoying building for Salesforce right now. Really enjoying what's possible. Very, very robust platform with like just tons of data points and fields and things that we can write to that our users are now using to build great reports and flows and other automation, enablement, and revenue attribution, and just really cool stuff. And that's not to mention Agentforce, which we're talking with Salesforce themselves, actually today, the day that I'm posting this video, about Agentforce. So yeah, really excited about what's coming. Thanks for your support. Let me know what questions you have, what you'd like to see. If you're using these types of sequencing tools, if you're using Clay and Salesforce, what would you want to see? Let me know. Thanks.